Okay, so pardon the baking ingredients on my shirt. I decided I should follow up with a video tasting the banana bread. Only makes sense, right? Okay, so let's see what we've got. I went ahead and already cut a piece, put some butter on it. It's not quite out of the oven, but it's still warm enough. There's the loaf with it cut, and we will take part of this and make sure we get, oh goodness, a little close. Sorry, I'm not used to doing this that often. And we'll see what we get. It's falling apart. It's good bread. Okay, I want butter, so we're gonna just rip this sucker apart. Whoops, sorry if I said something. Okay, let's go ahead and do the taste test. Oh, excuse me, I probably have food on my face. I forgot to say that I put pecans in it also. So walnuts or pecans. Oh, excuse me, spitting. Also are very good to put in it. So try that. Okay, worked out well. Good loaves of bread. Have a good evening.